Okay, so I have kind of like a makeshift mount. And I'm just gonna cast it out there and see if it hits it. Oh, right there. See if it hits it. Dang it, no, he doesn't. Another one way out there. Oh, I cast like right up top of him. Yeah, it's a pretty bad one. I'm trying to cast up so that I don't hit my camera. Oh, sun tried to hit. Usually sun hits like in a couple casts, which is crazy for me to think about. But they're all small ones. Like, we can agree that catching small ones are kind of fun. Like, I would rather catch a crap ton of small ones than big ones. Gosh, than one giant. Because a giant, yeah, fights hard, but then it gets tired straight after. Like, all you need to do is just survive through 10 seconds of it just straight up pulling, and bam, it's done for. Like, you're catching it unless you're actually trash. But I like doing these long form videos, and especially I haven't done a voice reveal kind of thing. So, here's your voice reveal. Also, 2 people have unsubscribed. And I literally have no idea why. But I casted right onto the shore. I didn't cast onto it, but I casted really close to it. Trying to hook that branch right there. Anyway, when I absolutely just got crap ton of stuff on here. By the way, yes, I hooked my thumb really deep. I think because my mom was a nurse and she has a whole... Oh, there's a little tiny turtle right there. I think it's cute. I just want to grab it. Sorry. Totally not animal abuse. Just kidding, I'm joking. Dude, this spot is not doing its justice. I really caught a tiny ass fish here. This on a big ass rooster tail. So, I have no idea how this is. By the way, just to get my phone to record, I had to, like, get a crap ton of stuff. So, let's cut to the next spot. Let's do one cast here, just to see if anything's getting it. Oh my gosh. Finally. I don't think anything's gonna hit that. Yeah, because there's gosh dang leaves. So I actually kind of hate fall fishing because every single leaf just gets yoinked onto your hook. And it's such a pain to remove them. Got him. Heck yeah. Oh crap. Ooh, no man. It's a bad idea to do that. Nope. Trying to grab you by the lip. The phone attached to me. Let's go. Also, by the way, that's my rod. Look at that little guy. A big calm. I think you will. That's cool. There we go. Yippee. Now I got footage of me catching something. Dead bass. That was a giant. I also have like literally no storage on here, so it's only a couple of casts before this video ends. Oh! There's a bass after it. Oh no. I have a couple seconds left now. Oh, bye guys. Oh, frickety dickety.